Have you ever seen the movie Frozen? Well, at the beginning of the movie, there are these people on pools of ice, and they are literally like chopping and hacking and cutting it off. And that's a lot like what it's going to feel like sometimes when you kick off a leadership retreat. You're bringing a group of leaders together, and especially if you're a large organization, they might not know all about each other. They might not even know each other. They might not have ever met in person, especially from the last couple of years where we've been in the middle of pandemic. People haven't been traveling as much, and you might have some new people on the team. So the surface level of the conversations that you're going to have is going to be completely frozen. It's going to be icy. It's going to be cold, right? And so you need a team of people, or really you just need a team of tools that are able to cut right through that ice in order to make it an amazing leadership retreat. And so that's what I'm here to equip you with right here and right now. And so I've got 10 icebreaker questions that you can ask at a leadership retreat. Let's go ahead and dive straight in to why you would have an icebreaker and some best practices for them. Well, the icebreaker is a great way to start a conversation, and better conversations lead to better leaders, and better leaders spark greater business growth. Now, the couple of quick tips about these icebreakers. Number one is keep them simple. Number two, use them early and often. And number three, make them on theme. So if you're doing a leadership retreat and your theme is, Harry Potter theme, then have Harry Potter themed questions. If your leadership retreat is themed one team, and because you have multiple departments and multiple organizations that are part of one big conglomerate, well, then you want your questions to be related to one theme, which is your theme. So here is the first set of questions that I have for you. So I've got 10 total, and the first set are 5 get to know you questions. Question number 1 is, what is a fun fact from your childhood that not many people know? This will get people just to kind of get to know each other. Question number 2 is, what is a favorite memory from a vacation that you've taken? You can be one from a long time ago. It can be one from recently. Everybody has been on a vacation at some point in their life. At least I hope so. And if not, that's okay. You can kind of adapt it to your audience. Question number 3, do you have a hobby or a passion you care about deeply outside of work? It could be painting like in the picture. It could be drawing. It could be their dog. Let people share and share with conviction. Question number 4 is, what's something about you that you wish more people knew? And then let people just go from there. It could be a fun fact about them. It could be how deeply they care about their passion or their hobby that they just shared. Question number 5 is, what would the title of your autobiography be? So those are 5 amazing questions that you can share that are just simply like, hey, let's get to know each other. And that would be at the beginning of a leadership retreat. Now, if you are hosting a leadership retreat, then you're going to want to have conversations start to take a turn. Rather than just getting to know each other, you're going to want to go into deeper conversation so that your business can grow and your leaders can grow as well. So here are 5 business-related questions and 5 business and leadership-related questions. Question number 6 is, what's one thing you've learned lately? It can be something in their personal life or their professional life, but then let people share. Question number 7 is, what's one mistake you've made lately that we all can learn from? These are both kind of learning experience, and you'll get to know people a little bit deeper, but also it's leadership related. A business related one would be, what's one brand or company that you're a fan of, and what can we learn from them? So get people to share and talk about them. It could be customer service. It could be the products. It could be something else. Question number 9 is, what's the best customer service experience you've ever had, and what can we learn from it? And then question number 10 is, who's one leader, alive or dead, that you'd have lunch with and that you haven't already had lunch with them, and what would you ask them? This is more leadership related, but you can see that a combination of business questions and a combination of leadership questions would be a great way to kick off your leadership retreat, as well as, of course, tying in a couple of the get to know you type questions. Well, hey, if this video is helpful for you, I would be honored if you dropped a comment below and share with us what is your favorite icebreaker question That's either business related, leadership related, or it's just a fun get to know you type question. And then if it was helpful for you, please be sure to give this video the thumbs up, and you're gonna love a couple of things that we have. In the description of this video, you can check out more Icebreaker games and even some of the slide decks like one that I just showed you that are ready and waiting for you. All you gotta do, you don't have to build them from scratch. All you have to do is buy access to it, download it, and then you can use it at your own leadership retreat or at an event or a meeting for your business. And again, if this video was helpful for you, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, give this video the thumbs up, click the little bell icon, which means you're gonna get notified every time we get a new one. We are so honored. At the time of recording this, we have hit over 38,000 subscribers, and so we would be honored to gain just one more. Thanks everyone. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Go forth and have better leadership retreats with your organization. See ya.